Okay, I don't know how far away we are from the falls, but we need to get ourselves into better hiking shape.
Yeah, I've overdressed.
This is pretty pathetic.
Well, it was uphill forever.
Kind of was. Hello.
Hello, welcome back to Backroad Journals.
Welcome back. We are staying local this weekend.
Yes.
We've been away the last 2 weekends and we thought it's nice to just spend the weekend here and explore the local areas that we are in. And if you followed our channel for a while, you may know that we are from the town of Port Alberni here on Vancouver Island. Most visitors to the west coast only know Port Alberni from driving through.
Straight through, Walmart on one side, Canadian Tire on the other.
And 1 or 2 Tim Hortons on the way too.
And a bunch of gas stations.
And a bunch of gas stations. So that's what most visitors see when they drive through Port Alberni. What most people don't know is there's so much more to Port Alberni in the surrounding area.
So much beauty surrounds Port Alberni. There's so much to do here. Endless waterfalls and trails and lakes.
What we're trying to do is we want to try to showcase our local area a little bit more here. And if some of you are watching that live in Port Alberni, and I know some of you are, but even if you're new to the channel and you live in Port Alberni and you want to see a certain place featured here on our channel, please let us know in the comments below and we'll be happy to check that out, because we are right now on the way to Stokes Falls and we've not been there yet. No, we haven't. So this is going to be new for us to see, and we're always open to explore new things around the area here. We're headed out to the falls right now. We're already sweating.
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll see you at the falls.
See you at the falls.
Stokes Creek Falls Trail is a somewhat user-maintained wild trail. It can be accessed via the Big Orange Gate off Alberni Highway and Roger Creek Road. There is a myriad of trails, creeks, and falls to explore in this area if you have the time. The hike to Stokes Creek Falls is about 1.4 kilometers. The trail meanders through mossy, verdant second, third, and old-growth forests, with Douglas fir being featured throughout. It has sections that go up and down with inclines of about 260 meters. There are some slippery areas with tree roots and creek crossings on logs. The last portion of the trail to the falls is a fairly steep hill, but there are ropes in some parts to help assist.
And we're going uphill again. But at least we're on the right track here. We wanted exercise. We're getting it.
Careful what you wish for.
Okay, I don't know how far away we are from the falls, but we need to get ourselves into better hiking shape.
Yeah, I've overdressed.
This is pretty pathetic.
Well, it was uphill forever.
Kind of was.
Waterfalls on Vancouver Island, the best time of year to visit Stokes Creek Falls is the winter months, as well as late fall or early spring. These are the months with the most rain, meaning that visiting the falls during this time will guarantee a more dramatic flow of water.
I do want to make it further up the falls because I wanted to see it from above. It's just starting to get a bit slippery here. Caution. Not really good at it. Michelle's down there shaking her head. Didn't quite make it to the top of the falls, but this is the highest I will get. I know I'm repeating myself when I'm saying that I love waterfalls, but I just do, and it's so much fun to climb around and explore and to get to the top of the falls. It's so cool. Always makes me smile. Now I gotta make my way back down there, which is usually trickier than the way up. Oh well, what goes up must come down. Made it.
Keeping an eye on you. I lost you once and I couldn't find you.
Oh, I found a little fairy home.
Bit of an exercise climbing up and down that waterfall. Since we are by a waterfall, I really don't have a choice but to set up the camera and take some pictures. I'm not going to take you through the whole process right now. I just want to show you what I want to do, and then I'm going to post the pictures at the end of the video. If you're interested, stick around for that. Alright, so this is the waterfall coming down from all the way up there, going down here into that pool and then continues along the creek. I do not want to take a full-on picture of the fall because, again, the trees are a little bit in the way. So what I'm going to try to do is take it down, get the trees out of the way, get this little bit here in the foreground, with the water coming down.
enjoyed our whimsical adventure. It's starting to rain, and as per usual, we did not bring our rain gear.
Nope, not prepared as per usual. So we're gonna head back and make up the trail, and we will see you again next week. Wherever that is.
Wherever that might be.
Wherever that might be. So we'll see you there. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.